Good afternoon, students. Today we shall discuss problems on spherical mirrors, refractive index, and spherical lenses. First, we discuss problems on spherical mirrors. So, first problem: a student wants to project the image of a candle flame on a screen 60 cm in front of the mirror by keeping the flame at a distance of 15 cm from its pole. So it has four subdivisions. We discuss one by one. First one, write the type of the mirror he should use. Here the image of a candle flame on a screen 60 cm in front of the mirror. So that image is formed on the screen. So image is real. So the mirror is concave mirror because all the convex mirror has a virtual and erect. Concave mirror only have a real and inverted. So that type of the mirror is concave mirror. And second one, find the linear magnification of the image produced. From this problem, V is equal to minus 60 centimeter. Here minus indicates left side of the mirror, and the distance of the object is 15 centimeter. So U is equal to, here also we take minus because object also in the left side of the mirror. Now we find the magnifications. So the magnification formula is M is equal to minus V by U. Substitute the value of V and U. Minus of minus 60 divided by minus 15. This minus into minus plus, and the final division has a minus. So the final value is minus 4. Finally the magnification is minus 4. Here minus indicates the nature of the image is real and inverted. It has more than 1. The size of the image is enlarged. And the next questions, what is the distance between the object its image? Here both has a minus. We need to find the difference only. Just omit that sign. So 60 minus 15, which is equal to 45 centimeter. The next question, draw a ray diagram to show the image formation in this case. Here we need to find the value of F because we have a U and V value only. So we need to find the value of F. The mirror formula is 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Now substituting the value of V and U, 1 by minus 60 plus 1 by minus 15 equal to 1 by F. So taking the LCM, minus 60 minus 15, so minus 60 is the LCM. So after solving these equations, so we get 5 by minus 60 and finally 1 by minus 12, which is equal to 1 by F. Now we take a reciprocal, we get the focal length F is equal to minus 12. Now we draw the ray diagram. So this is the ray diagram for this problem. First we draw the F and C. C means the radius of the curvature, or this is equal to 2 times of F. F is equal to minus 12 and U is equal to 15, and V is equal to, the image distance is minus 60. So we place the object between C and F. So this is the object. So we take two rays. One is parallel to the principal axis, and the another ray comes from center of the curvature. It returns back to the same path. We get the image. The image is formed beyond C. From this ray diagram, you have to mark F, C, and object positions and image positions, path of the ray, and the value of U, V, and F. So next problem, an object 4 cm in size is placed 25 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Find the nature and size of the image. From this problem, an object 4.0 cm in size, that means the height of an object is 4 cm. So h1 is equal to 4 cm. Here we take a plus, that means object is placed above the principal axis, so that we take plus symbols. And object is placed 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. So object is placed 25 centimeter. So U is equal to 25 centimeter. Here minus indicates left side of the mirror, and focal length 15 centimeter. So F is equal to minus 15. Here we use a concave mirror. The focal length of the concave mirror is negative, so we take a negative value, and we need to find the value of image distance and size of the image. Find V and H2. Now we use a mirror formula. So 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Now substituting the value U and F. So after substituting, we find the value of 1 by V is equal to 1 by minus 15 plus 1 by 25. Here this value is moved to right side. So this negative value is changed into positive. Now we take a LCM for 15 and 25, that is 75. So after solving these equations, V is equal to minus 75 by 2, which is equal to minus 37.5 centimeter. That means the image distance is minus 37.5 centimeter. Minus indicates the image is placed left side of the mirror. Now we find the value of size of the image. M is equal to minus V by U is equal to H2 by H1. So this formula already discussed. So H2 by H1 is equal to minus V by U, and substituting the value of H1 and V and U. After solving this equation, H2 which is equal to minus 6 centimeter. That means the size of the image is 6 centimeter. Here minus indicates the image is formed below the principal axis, so that it has a minus value. So the nature of the image is real and inverted. We find H2 is equal to minus 6 and V is equal to minus 37.5 centimeter. Now we find the value of magnifications. I think here I is missing. So M is equal to H2 by H1. M is equal to, now substituting the value of H2, that is minus 6, and H1 is plus 4, which is equal to minus 3 by 2, which is equal to minus 1.5. Here minus indicates real and inverted, and here 1.5, that means greater than 1, so that the size of the image is enlarged. And is equal to minus 37.5. Minus indicates the position of the image is in front of the mirror. So these three information you should write, don't forget. The next problem, a convex mirror used on an automobile has 3 meter radius of curvature. If a bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, find the positions, nature and size of the image. This is a convex mirror. In this problem, the mirror is convex mirror, and it has a radius of curvature is 3 meter. So R is equal to plus 3 meter. Focal length of the convex mirror is positive. So here R is equal to plus 3. Now if the bus is located at 5 meter from the mirror, so U is equal to minus 5 meter. Minus indicates left side of the mirror, and we need to find F focal length, image positions and the size of the image. Now we find the value of focal length. R is equal to TF. The radius of a curvature is equal to 2 times of the focal length. Now F is equal to R by 2, which is equal to, here R is 3 by 2, which is equal to plus 1.5 meter. Now we find the value of image distance. Use the mirror formula. 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Now substituting the value of U and F. Here both the value is in meter, so no need to convert into centimeter. Keep the SI unit as a meter. This value move to the right side, so this negative change into positive. Now we take a LCM. So LCM for this problem 1.5 and 5 is 15. After taking the LCM, we solve the equations. 1 by V is equal to 10 plus 3 by 15, which is equal to 13 by 15. Take a reciprocal. V is equal to 15 by 13. Finally we get the image distance is plus 1.15 meter. Here plus indicates the image is placed behind the mirror. So nature of the image is virtual and erect. Now we find the magnifications. M is equal to minus V by U. Substituting the value U and V, which is equal to plus 0.23. Here plus indicates the nature of the image is virtual and erect, and here 0.23, that is less than 1, so the size of the image is diminished. Final conclusion is the position of the image is behind the mirror because V is equal to plus 1.15. Here plus indicates right side of the mirror. The nature of the image is virtual and erect because M is equal to plus 0.23. Here plus indicates virtual and erect, and the size of the image is diminished because H2 is less than H1 or M is less than 1, so that the size of the image is diminished. The next problem number 4. 4.5 centimeter needle is placed 12 centimeter away from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Give the location of the image and its magnification. From this problem, the mirror is convex mirror and 4.5 centimeter needle. That means height of the needle is 4.5 centimeter. So H1 is equal to plus 4.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter away from a convex mirror. So U is equal to minus 12. Here minus indicates left side of the mirror, and focal length is 15 centimeter. Focal length of the convex mirror is positive, so F is equal to plus 15 centimeter. And we need to find the value of image distance and image size and magnifications. Now we find the value of V, that means the image distance, using mirror formula. Mirror formula is 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Now substituting the value U and F, and we take a LCM, we get a value 60. Here 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9 by 60. Taking the reciprocal, 60 by 9 after crossing using 3, that is 20 by 3, which is equal to 6.67 centimeter. Here the image distance is plus 6.67 centimeter. Here plus indicates image is placed behind the mirror. That means right side the mirror. Next we find the size of the image using magnification formula. Here M is missing. Sorry, here I is missing. Magnifications, M is equal to minus V by U is equal to H2 by H1. H2 by H1 is equal to minus V by U. Now substituting the value H1, V and U. After solving these equations, get H2 which is equal to 6.67 into 4.5 divided by 12. So solve these values, we get here that is a minus 12. Here minus we take a plus. Here minus is missing. The final value of size of the image is 0.5 centimeter. Here plus indicates the image is formed above the principal axis. So image is virtual and erect. Magnifications is equal to H2 by H1. Now we find the value of magnifications. So now substituting the H2 and H1, which is equal to plus 0.56. Here plus indicates virtual and erect, and here value is less than 1. The magnification is diminished. The position of the image is behind the mirror, plus V is equal to plus. So plus indicates right side the mirror, and the nature of the image is virtual and erect. So here plus indicates the nature of the image is virtual and erect. Size of the image is diminished. H2 less than H1 or M is less than 1. So the size of the image is diminished.